Hi everyone, yes we are in my kitchen again, and I've just realised I was going to make some potato salad, some coleslaw and some egg mayonnaise, and I've got everything here and I've actually forgotten the mayonnaise. So instead of going back down the shop, I'm actually going to make my own. So I thought I'd share it with you because, not being funny, most people have got these in their cupboard. The only thing that you might not have is a bit of mustard. I'm actually quite lucky, I did actually find some in there. Normally we use the Dijon mustard, but I'm using what I've got. So, let's make some mayo. And literally, this is the best thing. If you have got an electric whisk, highly recommended, otherwise your arm will get a bit tired. And literally, this is all we're gonna do. So, that's your eggs, bit of salt and pepper. You know what, I'm just going to take this off a minute because the whisk is in the way. So I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And then the mustard. There we go. Yeah, I said the mustard is down to your own taste. Personally, I'm not actually a lover of mustard. I don't like the stuff. However, I do like it in certain things. And there are certain dishes you actually need to use it. So, all we're going to do is whisk that up nicely. And make sure all of that is lovely whisked together before we even add the final ingredient. So all I've used is 4 ingredients so far. Alright. I'm going to leave this on setting 4. And I'm going to slowly add the oil. You can see there. And this is probably the most boring bit. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to slowly add the oil. And I'll come back to you with some results. So, see you in a minute, guys. So, guys, are we ready to see my mayonnaise? Let's take a peek. Alright. Because of the type of mustard that I've used, I've got obviously a very, very, very yellow mayo. That I should have put a little bit less salt in, but I'll put less salt in when I make my egg mayonnaise then. But that is my first attempt at making my own mayonnaise. I'm really happy with it. And it saved me money going down the shop with ingredients that I already had in the house. So I've got a jar. This will hold for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Unfortunately, guys, it is obviously, because I've used egg yolk, not suitable for vegans. And obviously pregnant women as well, and children. But everyone else, enjoy. Have a go at making your own mayonnaise and see what flavours you come out with your own type of mustard. I'm just going to go and get a spatula now so I can get this in the jar and make up some egg mayonnaise. Have fun, guys.